Welcome to SEPAM. Today we are going to look at how to draw an incircle, drawing incircle in a triangle. So we are going, the materials we need the compass, the pencil, eraser, and a ruler. So these are the four materials we need. So let's get started. So take your ruler, draw any size of triangle. Just draw any size of triangle. So I'll just draw any triangle here. We'll do this. I'm not particular about the type of triangle, but just any triangle, any three line enclosing an area. So with that, we have our triangle. Let's label the triangle. We have the triangle ADH. So we have that triangle ADH. So we want to construct an incircle inside. So what are the things we need? The first thing, we are going to construct the bisector of any of the two angles. So let's bisect angle A. To bisect angle A, put your pointed end at A, draw an arc to cut line AD and line AH. Then transfer it to this point, cut again within. So connect that point to A, that is the bisector of angle A. Trace it up. So this is L1. Let's bisect angle D. Bisect angle D. So cut and cut it again. So this is L2. Alright, so now we have two of the bisectors intersecting. So this is the center. This point is going to be the center of the circle. So let's call it O. Alright, from that point O, let's construct a perpendicular bisector to line AD from point O. So what do? Just take any radius. Take any radius. Then put it at O, point O. Cut line AD at this point, at any 2 points. Right. So move it up to that point of intersection. Describe an arc on top. Connect that point to O. So this is the perpendicular bisector. So with that, you can know the radius from the center of the circle. So what is the radius of the circle that is touching the edge of the circle? So take the radius of your compass to be equal to that length. So let's call it OM. So OM is the radius of the circle. So you do that. So with that, we can now inscribe the circle that will go round. Wow. So that is our incircle. So with that, we have constructed the incircle. In other words, either you call it incircle or so this is also called inscribing a circle inside a triangle. So with that, we have finished with this one. Thank you for learning.